Introduction to drones. Drones came into being when an existing airframe was modified into an unmanned flying machine. This means that the cockpit system was replaced by a radio communication system. It was initially used by the military and the defense sector. This was used for fighter pilot trainings and surveillance purposes. These drones that were used by the military later evolved into drones as we know them today, which have so many other applications. There's very few people that you could look at and say that those are the people who changed the way the world functions. One such person is Mr. Ibrahim Karim, the father of drones. He founded Leading Systems Inc. in his home garage, where he started manufacturing his first drone, Albatross, and later on the more sophisticated Amber, which eventually evolved into the famous Predator drone.